Will the doctors that are in our Facebook group be mentioned on Jay Campbell's new platform, Men's Healthcare? What can you say about that?
And if this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe so you can learn more about fitness and nutrition, hormones and anti-aging, all this to optimize your life overall. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Oh, I would hope not, because I hope none of them are desperate enough to do that. Really, this has been done before. Suzanne Summers has, a website like that.
I like her.
She's good. I mean, yes. So, but nonetheless, what that is Jay and William will promote physicians as being the best and being experts if those physicians pay them for the referrals. So what you're going to get is the best physician that's willing to pay somebody for referrals. They may be the worst physician in the world, but they're going to be listed as the best because they're going to pay somebody for referrals. So specifically Jay and William. And so, yes, it'll be free to the public, but I want the public to understand that what you're getting are physicians that are willing to pay money so that they can promote them. It's not about being the best. Now, somebody may sign up, that's great. I don't know anybody that has signed up. But just rest assured that you could be the greatest physician in the world at that hormone replacement. And you won't be on that side if you don't pay to be on.
Yeah, definitely.
And I think that's something people need to factor in. So you could be the worst physician at TRT, but of course they vet you with these simple little questions. But I don't know how somebody that is not a physician that, let's not say that.
Hey, my questions weren't simple, Keith. Those were my questions, and I worked real hard at them.
I mean, but you could just learn from watching your podcast the answers. All you have to do is go to the Lifting Dermatologist channel and look at some videos that he's done with you, and look at his Facebook, and all the questions are answered. It's your cliff notes to that. So
just because you answer them properly doesn't mean that that's what you actually do in real life.
And that is nothing, in my opinion, that is kind of just smoke and mirrors. It's just to say that we vetted them. But if you write a check, you're vetted. Believe me, you write a check, you're going to be vetted.
Guys, if anyone watching here, if any of you are still somehow have this notion that you're still a fan of Jay Campbell, please go see his Twitter feed. Please go see his Twitter feed, because just today he posted that school shootings are not real. They're staged. It's all staged. It's all staged. And someone was talking about hurricanes. Says, it's fake news. I think school shootings are staged. What? School shootings never happened? Guys, please stay away from this guy.
Angie and I have 6 kids between us, and I think that's kind of the straw that broke the camel's back for me. I've tried to keep quiet. I've had some good and bad with Jay, but that today, I don't understand that.
He's gone, people. He's gone. Just please, anywhere else. Go anywhere else.
Well, anybody that would post something like that, I would hope that any respectable physician would think twice about having any association at this point.
Well, there's a point here about social media influencers. If you look at the individual that Danny mentioned, he's a walking dichotomy. He is. And the face that you see on social media is not the actual face that live in person. And one of the issues that I have, that I've struggled with social media influencers is that they are always in a dichotomy, like what I've talked about this whole podcast. They always make claims that are either black and white, but there's some claims that you just can't back up. That's why when people question why I never ever say, well, this is 100% this way or this is 100% that way, it's because there has to be some uncertainty there. Nothing is never black and white. But any type of social media influencer that makes claims in this manner, it's either one way or the other. I'm the expert, or there is no expert. Be cautious of them and avoid them like the plague, because this is where a lot of what you would think where bro science would be sort of, I guess, stifled, it actually can become worse in situations like that. So that's just my take on it. I saw that in the post, and that guy Jones, there's a conspiracy theorist, Jones. Do you know what I'm talking about, Danny?
Yeah.
But I forgot his first name, but he was just sued tremendously for making comments about mass shootings. The families actually sued this guy and took everything he had. So you got to think and question the mental state of somebody that's going to post something like that. So that sort of answers that question in short form.